Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage P, the car, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The car zoomed along the road, its wheels pushing it faster and faster. In the distance, the sun was setting. The driver pressed the pedal harder. She wanted to get home as soon as possible. Behind her, in the back seat, a big tub of ice cream was slowly melting. Drip, drip, drip. Questions. Is the car traveling quickly? How do you know that? What time of day was it? Where was the ice cream? What was happening to the ice cream? Why is the driver pushing the pedal harder? Now let's check the answers. Is the car traveling quickly, and how do you know that? Yes, the car is traveling quickly. It mentions the car zooming along the road in the first sentence, followed by the car's wheels going faster and faster, both suggesting it is going quickly. What time of day was it? Well, we could say late afternoon, early evening, or sunset, because it mentions the sun setting in the second sentence. Where was the ice cream? The ice cream was in the back seat of the car. It says so here. What was happening to the ice cream? The ice cream was melting. It says so, and it also says drip, drip, drip at the end. Why was the driver pressing the pedal harder? Well, the driver wanted to get home as soon as possible because the ice cream was melting. Thank you for your time. How did you go?